Okay guys, I'm not sure if you guys can see. Trees in the way right now. Do you see it again? There it is. There it is. Can you see it? Now it's being blocked. Pull up. Lord, remember me. Okay. Everybody's racing to be at the front of the line. Look at this one. Look at him. Told you, just want to be at the front. Big billboard up there blocking the sign. So you see it again. He was driving so fast to come to the front, and look at him. I'm gonna take myself away out of this traffic. You see him? You see him? And because he see the police, you see that? The police looking at him. This dude right here in front of me, see what he just did? Look at him again. Look at him. Can't wait. Look at him. OMG. You see him? Let me get out of the traffic. Come on down the hill. I feel like I've been on the road all day. It's a big trip to go all the way down here. Thank God I am back in my neighborhood. Guys, I'm gonna stop and try a patty that I just bought. Never had it before. Guys, I just bought a patty. It's a shrimp patty. I want to try it for the first time. It's pretty good. Actually pretty good. But you barely have anything in there though. Mostly crust. Nothing like Jamaica. But since I love the crust anyway, I'm not complaining. Right amount of spice. It's curry shrimp. Can you see it? So I'm always sharing with you guys. Stop. Really? This way.
Which one?
The left. Your left. All right. So my FK gang, we're at the end of another segment. I hope you guys enjoy the ride with me. I love your company. Yeah? Love your company. I'll see you next time. Have a good day, all right? Peace and guidance. Hey, hey. You're so nice.